What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Back with the blood parrots and Titan. Check out Titan. King Titan, silver Arowana. He's putting on some size. Check him out. Looking beautiful. Look at him. Loving his 220. Check out these guys. These guys are gorgeous. Ingot blood parrots. Check out Sunny. Sunny's starting to change more and more. He's got that tint of red over him. Showed you that guys last time. These guys are absolutely stunning fish. You got the little dwarf. That's a dwarf parrot. Check him out. Look at that face. How could you not love a face like that? Only a mother can love a face like that. Look at that face. Oh my God. Look at the faces. Look at the faces. Beautiful fish. Let me back up. So you guys get a wide shot of the 220. Look at King Titan. Looking very nice. I'm gonna put a few more blood parrots in here this morning. I mean, not this morning. On Saturday, I'm gonna get a few more. You know, like I said, I didn't put an actual number, but you know, I just wanna get a whole bunch until I feel that there's enough. You know, right now, not enough, and I got 14 of them. I got 14 ingot blood parrots and 1 silver Arowana. King Titan. Alright, let's do what we do. These guys want to eat. Look at this guy. Beautiful. This is from the side. These fish are amazing. Ton of personality. Look at them. Beautiful fish. This is the side view. What's Sunny doing right there? These fish are absolutely gorgeous. Look at these guys. Let's take a look at, this is from the side. Let's take a look at the filtration. We got Fruval FX6 right there. The air pump on top of it. We got another Fluval FX6 right there. Some hoses. You know, typical junk underneath. You know, this filter right here is absolutely amazing. The Fluval FX6. I recommend it to anybody. Anybody with any size tank. I mean, these filters second to none. Top of the line. If you want a high quality filter, get yourself a Fluval FX6 canister filter. Alright, these guys are checking me out. Okay. These guys love the Fluvals. I can tell you that right now. Check out containment out there. These guys. Alright, these guys want to eat their breakfast. See, the little dwarfs like to hang out right under there. That's pretty much like their spot. Look at these guys. Beautiful. Look at those faces. Hello. Hello. Oh, these guys are awesome. Okay. This is what I'm going to feed them. Blood red parrot. Medium sized pellet. These guys absolutely love them. And I give them about a handful. Like that. King Titan loves it also. These guys absolutely love it. I want to get enough to where you see this little school right here. I want to get it so when I feed them it looks like this, but the entire length of the tank. See how it thins out over there? So I got to get it pretty much like this, but the entire length of the tank. That's the look that I want for this. All blood parrots, enough to where it looks pretty much like this, but the entire length. I think that'll look absolutely gorgeous with the silver on top. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Just beautiful. And like I've said before, I feed them 3 times a day. Same amount of food each time. Handful of pellets. And then later on I'll give them some shrimp, freeze-dried shrimp. They go crazy for that too. I always power feed. You know, A well-fed fish calms their aggression. You know, they're not as stressed out. They can be calm and go about their business. So that's one of the reasons why, a few of the reasons why I power feed, just to keep the fish more relaxed. So they can just concentrate on being a silly little fish like this. Look at these guys, man. Unbelievable. I will be showing you guys Bubbles very soon. He is doing great, by the way. I appreciate all the support you guys given me. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.